bringing the luxury of old-world Spain to your home design. Spanish design is all about highlighting great architectural elements. Common to California, Texas and the Southwest, Spanish-style houses are typically made of stucco with heavy wood trim and red clay tile roofs, have large porches and open windows and favor arches over square designs. The front door is often more of a portico into a small courtyard, as opposed to opening up right into the home. A critical element of Spanish home design is the seamless integration between the inside and outside spaces. Floor plans typically open towards spacious outdoor areas with French doors and archways designed to let in an abundance of natural light. These outdoor spaces are intended to be lived-in extensions of the house. Many designs will be centered on a main courtyard, originally meant to offer Spanish nobility a private garden protected from the prying eyes of the public. These sheltered, intimate spaces are perfect for relaxing and entertaining on a warm summer night.